The temperature was 76 degrees. At North Little Rock, the temperature was 73, dew point 65, humidity 75. The wind was felt at 8 miles an hour. The barometer was 29.74 inches in
The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 96, effective until 10 p.m. or 11 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties in Illinois: Boone, Cook, DeKalb, DuPage, Ford, Grundy, Iroquois, Kane, Kankakee, Kendall, LaSalle, Lake, Lee, Livingston, McHenry, Ogle, Will and Winnebago, and the following counties in Indiana: Benton, Jasper, Lake, Newton, and Porter, and the following: Winthrop Harbor to Wilmette Harbor, Illinois; Wilmette Harbor to Northerly Island, Illinois; Northerly Island to Calumet Harbor, Illinois; Calumet Harbor, Illinois to Gary, Indiana; Gary to Burns Harbor, Indiana; and Burns Harbor to Michigan City, Indiana; and the following counties in Wisconsin: Greene, Kenosha, Rock, and Warwick. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are
Now for
favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds, and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
Broadcast media confirmed tornado. Impact. You are in a life-threatening situation.
This is NOAA's Weather Radio.
Notification.
One new notification from Amazon. U.S. National Weather Service has issued a tornado watch for Orland Hills. It'll be in effect until March 31st, 10 p.m. CDT.
Forecast to occur in our listening area. This station will broadcast severe weather alarm tones for Cook, Lake, DuPage, Will, Kane, Kendall, Kankakee, and Grundy counties in Illinois, as well as Lake County in Indiana. Standard broadcasts will be curtailed to bring you the